Hello and welcome to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to review a software called Taja. Taja is a software that helps you to publish YouTube content 10x faster by creating everything you need in just 8 minutes. It will write engaging title for you like clickbait titles that will help you to get more clicks. It will write SEO optimized description for you. It will add relevant keyword, your main keyword in your description so that your YouTube video will be fully SEO optimized. Next, it will generate timestamps for your YouTube video. It will generate tags, hashtags, and also it will generate AI thumbnails for you, so you don't have to hire any professional graphics designer for designing your graphics if you have less budget. So what you can do, you can use its AI generated YouTube thumbnail and make your graphics designing process much easier. Okay, so as you can see, I have access to this software. I will share everything about this tool, like how to use it and everything, so watch this video till the end. Taja is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal for just $49. You can claim its lifetime deal for just $49. It means that you will pay $49 one time and you can use this software lifetime. If you want to claim its lifetime deal, then link is in the video description. Definitely that link is my affiliate link, so if you want to support my YouTube channel, then you can use the link given in the video description to claim Taja.ai lifetime deal. Okay, so as you can read it here, like it will generate title, thumbnail, shorts, SEO ready description, hashtags, tags, and everything that you need in optimizing your YouTube videos. Okay, and it is best alternative to Canva, TubeBuddy, and vidIQs. So now let's discuss about its pricing plan. It comes with 4 different pricing plan. Plan 1 will cost you $49. This plan will help you to generate title, description, chapters, hashtags, thumbnail, and everything for 4 videos per month. If you publish one video every week, then this plan is perfect for you, because with this plan you can optimize 4 video per month. Okay, next is plan 2. Plan 2 will cost you $98. You can generate title, description, chapters, hashtags, AI thumbnail, and everything for 8 videos per month. It will cost you just $98. Plan 3 will cost you $147. Okay, with this plan you can generate title, description, chapter, hashtags, thumbnail, and everything for 12 video per month. And tier 4 plan will cost you $196. With this plan you can generate title, description, chapter, hashtag, and thumbnail for unlimited videos. So if you are running 2 to 3 YouTube channel and if you want unlimited everything, then I will highly recommend you to grab tier 4 plan, because it will cost you just $196. It means that you will pay $196 one time and you will get lifetime access of this software, and you can optimize unlimited videos with this tool. Okay, and if you are just starting out, then plan 1 is also good for you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use Taja.ai tool. As you can see, UI and UX of this tool is very good. Even a beginner can understand how to use this tool. Okay, so it is very easy to optimize your video. All you need to do is just click on plus YouTube video. Okay, so for example, let me show you. I have recently published a video on my YouTube channel called video to blog.ai review, convert YouTube video to blog post. Okay, so it automatically convert YouTube videos to blog post. This tool is available on AppSumo. I have just publish a detailed review of this tool on my YouTube channel. So suppose I want to optimize this video of my YouTube channel, then what I will do, I will just copy the link of this YouTube video, and after that I will paste my YouTube video URL here, and here is you can add any additional context if you want. So it is video to blog AI review video, so I'm going to write video to blog.ai review. So okay, so in this way you can add any additional context if you want, and after that what you need to do, just click on this optimize button. So when you will click on it, it will first upload the video, then analyze channel for video, and then evaluate channel audience. Okay, it will take hardly 30 to 35 seconds, I think. Now it is analyzing channel keywords, analyzing channel brand voice. Now it is transcribing my video so that it can generate title, description, and everything for me. And now it is extracting top SEO keyword, crafting everything for me. Okay, so as you can see, process is done. So let's see the result. Okay, so as you can see, first it has transcribed my video, so you can check it here. It has transcribed my video fully here, and after that it has given me some great title. Okay, and here is virality score. This viral score will help you to determine which title will perform best. 0 is less and 100 is best. Okay, so first title is transform video to blog, the game changer you need. Okay, next is video to blog.ai the best YouTube to blog converter yet? Next is, don't miss this $49 tool. Boost your SEO, blog SEO instantly. Unleash SEO power, convert video to blog effortlessly. Stop wasting time, convert videos to blog in seconds. So this one is very good, I can say. Fifth one is very good. And also, if you want to know how your title will look on YouTube, then here you can check it here. As you can see, it will write all the titles just below your thumbnail, so you can understand which one will perform better. So as you can see, transform video to blog, then game changer you need. Is video to blog.ai is best YouTube to blog converter yet? Don't miss this $49 tool. Boost your blog SEO instantly. And this one is, according to me, virality score of this title is very good according to this tool, but according to me, this title is very attractive. Stop wasting time, convert videos to blog in seconds. So according to me, this one is very attractive and it will get more clicks according to my experience. But if you are not happy with the generated title, then what you can do, just click on re-optimize title. If you will click on it, then it will again generate the title for your YouTube video. So as you can see, now it has generated some more title. Convert videos to SEO blog in seconds. So this one is also very good. Is video to blog.ai worth it? A must see review. This one is also very good in my opinion. Video to blog.ai exposed the $49 lifetime deal. Unlock video to blog.ai hidden feature, avoid common mistake, convert video to blog. So according to me, this sixth one and seventh one is very good. And if you want to check the previously generated title, then just click on previous button and you can also check all the previously generated title. Okay, and if you want to check how it will look on your video, then you can check it here, like convert video to SEO blog in seconds, and you can check how it will look on your YouTube video. So for now, I'm going to select this one. Is video to blog.ai worth it? A must see review. And here, as you can see, it has generated title and time stamp for me. Transform YouTube videos into engaging blog post with video to blog.ai, the ultimate game changer you need. In this review, I have shared how to use this innovative tool step by step, highlighting features that I love, like automatic screenshots, SEO optimization, and seamless integration with the platform like WordPress, Medium, Blogger. With the lifetime deal available on AppSumo for just $49, you can unlock the potential to create up to 10 SEO optimized blog posts per month. This tutorial covers everything from pricing tier to advanced features like call to action options and content analysis. I will recommend you to get this lifetime deal and start transforming your video content into valuable return resource today. Whether you are looking to improve your automation process or enhance your project management strategies, video to blog.ai is a must-have tool for every YouTuber. Dive in to discover the possibilities and see how this tool can elevate your content strategy. Okay, so it has written a very good description covering all the important keywords like review and lifetime deal, AppSumo, and all these things. So it has covered all the related terms and keywords that I should have in my description to make it fully SEO optimized. Okay, and so it has generated timestamps. So as you can see, it is very good. Okay, and also it has generated tag for me. So personally, I don't find this tags very useful. It is good, but it don't has my target keyword video to blog.ai review. Apart from this, it has some great tags. So now let's discuss about thumbnail. So thumbnail setting, toggle to choose with extracted face from your video or only AI. So there is two options, like you can generate AI image, and second one is that it will extract the face of you from your video and it will generate the thumbnail. So it is very good, I can say. So let's try it out. So there are two versions, I think, version 1 and version 2. Let's try first. So first let's try version 1 and click on generate visuals. I don't know what it will generate, so let's wait for some time. So it has generated 3 thumbnails right now, but I literally don't find it helpful. So let's try version 2 and let's generate more thumbnail visuals. Okay, I understood. If I will use version 1, then it will generate AI generated thumbnail without my face, and if I will use version 2, then it will detect my face from my video and it will generate the thumbnail for for me, as you can see, but still I can say that it is not as good as I expected. I was expecting that it will be very good, but in my opinion it is not that attractive as I was expecting. Okay, instead of this I will recommend you to use this one, AI generated image. Just use the version 1 and generate the images, because the quality of this image is not as good as it should be. Okay, so I hope you know that AI generated text is not always perfect. Like as you can see, there is a spelling mistake in video, and also there is some missing text. So if you want to edit this text, then what you can do, you can download this thumbnail and you can go to Canva, and there is a feature called grab text. Just click on it, and then Canva will grab this text and you can edit this text according to your requirement, and you can download this image. Okay, so I will recommend you to use the version 1 and generate AI thumbnail for you. Okay, it is also good with my face but not perfect. And there is an option called sync to YouTube. Here is the privacy status. If I will select public and if I will click on sync to YouTube, then whatever it has generated, like description, title, I have selected this title, this description, and I have selected this text. Suppose I don't want to use this tag, so I have selected this tags, and suppose I finalize this thumbnail, then what it will do, if I will click on sync to YouTube, then it will automatically add all the changes to my YouTube video. I don't need to do anything from my side. Okay, it will do everything for me. So in this way you can use Taja.ai to generate the engaging SEO description, engaging title, clickbait type titles, and also you can generate AI thumbnail, timestamp, and tags, hashtags, and everything for your YouTube videos. And you can also apply all these changes to your YouTube video without doing you anything. Just click on this button and all the changes will apply to your YouTube video without doing you anything from your side. Okay, and here is the next step, generate cut downs. So just click on it and it will generate the short clips for your YouTube videos. Okay, so it will generate the short and clips in just one click. So I have clicked on next step and it is generating short clips for me, and it has written that their model works. It means that their short videos generation model work best for talking videos, where there is video, podcast, educational video, commentary video, product review, motivational speeches, and all these things. But it is not good for vlog, gaming videos, music video, and reaction type videos. Okay, so as you can see, it is generating the short videos for me. So let's wait and we will see the quality of the generated short clips. So currently it is generating, I think, 15 shorts for me. So after generating this short clip, I will check the quality and I will share it with you. So let's wait for some time. So as you can see, it has generated some YouTube shorts for me, 15 YouTube shorts video for me, but literally I am not happy with this shorts quality, because I think if you are showing your face in your YouTube video, then it will only focus on your face, but it will not capture what you are showing in the screen. Okay, so for example, let me show you any of this video. So if I will play this video, so as you can see, it has generated good title, description, and hashtags and everything for me, but the thing which is not good is that it is only focusing on my face. It should divide the short videos into part, like one part it should show my face, and in the second part it should track the mouse position, so that it will track what we are showing on the screen, what we are talking about. Okay, so let me play this video so you will understand. Your SEO title, it will write your meta description, it will suggest you what should be your slug, that is URL. So as you can see, I am talking about all the things that is showing in the sidebar, like title, URL, and everything, but it is just showing my face. So it should be divide this screen in two parts. First, in first part it should show my face, and in second part it should track the mouse position. Like I have my mouse is currently in right sidebar, so it should show that part in the screen. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. It is not perfect for me. For review type of video, it is not good, especially if you are showing your face. Okay, but for interview type videos it will perform better in my experience. And next, you can also generate clips with it. So as you can see, it has generated 4 different clips for us. So in terms of clips, it is very good. You can generate short clips with it. As you can see, let me play this so you can watch it. Video to blog post AI that will help you to convert your YouTube video into blog post. As you can read here, convert YouTube videos into SEO blog articles in matter of seconds. Okay, so what you can do, if you are a YouTuber and if you are creating videos for your YouTube channel, then you can convert those videos into SEO optimized blog post using this AI tool. So as you can see, it has generated a very good clip. I am very impressed with this feature, but this short clip is not good for you if you are creating review type video. It is good for you if you are creating interview or podcast type of videos where you are interviewing someone on your YouTube channel, then this short will be helpful for you. Okay, so when you will optimize even one video of your YouTube channel, then it will automatically add your channel in manage channel feed. Okay, as you can see, it has automatically added my channel here. If I will click on analyze channel, then here I can get the details of all the things of my channel, like audience persona. I can get details about it. I can check my highest performing content, like this one went viral and Taja score is 100 out of 100 for this particular video. And for this video to blog.ai review that I have just published, as you can see, I have published this video 7 hours ago, and this video score is 91, not bad. But this zero work review, it has 560 view, but Taja score is 39. So if I want to optimize it, then I can click on it and I can optimize this video. Okay, as you can see, so here you will get overview of your YouTube channel. Okay, so Taja.ai is currently available on AppSumo as lifetime deal. You can claim its lifetime deal for just $49. Link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. So in conclusion, Taja.ai is one of the best tool for optimizing your YouTube videos that are not performing well. You can generate the clickbait title for it. You can generate hashtags for it. You can generate SEO optimized YouTube video description. You can also generate hashtags for your video. You can also generate AI generated image, and also it will generate the shorts and clips for you. Okay, but if you are doing review type of video, then in that case shorts clips will not helpful for you. But if you are doing an interview type of videos, or videos where you are only showing your face, then in that case short video will be helpful for you. And also YouTube video clips section is also very helpful, where it shows some highlighted clip from your YouTube video. So yes, overall it is a very good tool for YouTubers who want to optimize their YouTube video. If you want to claim its lifetime deal, then link is in the video description. Definitely, that's my affiliate link. You can use that link to support my YouTube channel. I hope you found this Taja.ai review video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.